So just in the previous video we have seen the burp suit intruder. Now we are going to see the repeater. What I first I will explain what repeater is. So it's like request response, and you no need to open the browser for see the response. You can see the response here. It's like this burp suit is sending the request to the web browser, and the browser is sending the response, and you no need to interact with the browser itself. You can just send this request to the repeater, and you can start testing the methods like get, post, put, and etc. All you can do is respond. It's like very uh, what you can say, you don't need to worry about the browser, and you can just test the methods as quickly as possible. So let me show you. So first this is my request, that is we are logging in as admin and the password. Let me send it to repeater. Right click on this, send to repeater. So this is the repeater. Now if I username admin and the password, if I say admin password is equals to 1, if I click send, I get the response. So if you go down to the response, you can see the username or password incorrect. So I can just quickly change this to password 2 and click on send. I get some response. I can check the response quickly. Now I remove this 2. Now I know that username and the password are correct. If I click send, I will get the immediate response. So as you can see, the response is damn vulnerable. Sorry. So welcome to the password protected area admin. So this page you can see it is like this only. You don't need to the browser does not get the actual response to the browser. Actually our burp suit gets the response. So as you can see here, the response. You can also try to apply the post method as well. As you can see, the request has been sent and the response has been returned. So in this way, repeater is just like repeating some requests, and you can quickly edit the request and send to see the response. So that's all for this repeater.